Hi yoga friends, have a seat, get ready for yoga. On my way to school today, I saw animals big and small. They did so many different things, I had questions for them all. Hummingbird, hummingbird, how do you flap your wings so fast that you can hear them? Now it's your turn to try humming. Can you flap your wings like a hummingbird super fast? And can you make the noise of a hummingbird? Can we hum together? Hum. You hum and flap your wings. Hum. Super fast flap. Goodbye, hummingbird. Little monkeys, what games do you play? We hold hands while we seesaw and we laugh all day. Okay, so if you have a partner, you're going to join your hands and feet together and you're going to pull each other up and down and rock backwards and forwards. And if you're by yourself like me, you're going to curl yourself up into a ball and we're going to do 10 rolls onto our back and then back up. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Goodbye, little monkeys. Cheetah, cheetah, how can I run fast? Move your arms and legs like me and run super fast. So, let's go as fast as we can. We're gonna run on the spot. Ready? Get set, go! Super fast like a cheetah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye, cheetahs. Spider, spider, what do you do? I spin and spin to make my web. You try spinning too. Okay, we're gonna do 5 turns in one direction and then 5 turns in the other direction. We're gonna spin our webs like a spider. Are you ready? Let's go! Spin those webs. Spin, spin, spin. Spin those webs. Don't get dizzy and fall over. Don't get dizzy. And stop and turn and go the other way. Spin those webs. Nice and careful. Oh. Bye-bye, spider. Our next animal movement is going to be on our bellies. So find a place on the floor where you can lay on your belly. Cobra, cobra. How do I stretch like you? Push up on your arms and lift your head. Try hissing like me too. Sss. Can you make the noise like a snake? We're going to do 10 cobras. Push up and make a hissing sound. Sss. Ready? 1. Sss. 2. Push that head up to the ceiling. Look right up. 3. Look all the way up to the sun. 4. Use those strong arms. 5. 6. Bend that back. Look up, chin up. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay. Our next movement, we're going to need to roll onto our back. Kitten, kitten, how do you play with your yarn? I roll it up into a tight ball and I throw it in the air with my legs and arms. So, we're going to hold our feet up in the air. We're going to hold our arms and our hands up in the air. And we're going to try and lift our head off the floor too. And we're going to move our arms and feet around, pretend like we're playing with a ball of yarn or we're riding a little upside down bike. Are you ready? Set. Go. Keep moving those arms and legs. Try and keep your head and your neck up. Keep moving everything. like a little kitten. A little upside down kitten just playing. Nearly finished. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye, kittens. Puppy, puppy, how do you move around? I put my forepaws on the floor and I crawl on the ground. Can we get on our hands and knees into crawling position and crawl around like a little puppy? Crawl around. Can you go backwards and forwards? Move those arms and legs. Crawling. Can you make the sound of a puppy? Woof. Okay. Goodbye, puppies. Giraffe, giraffe, how do you reach the trees? I stretch up with my long neck, get tall like me on your knees. Okay, we're gonna sit on our feet and we're gonna reach up nice and tall like a tall giraffe with a long neck reaching up to the trees. And then we're gonna sit back down onto our feet. Let's do 10 giraffe stretches all the way up to the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Goodbye, Mr. Giraffe. Kangaroo, kangaroo, how do you exercise? I touch the ground, then I reach up. Now try it with me, guys. Okay, let's stand up for this one. Can we touch the floor and then reach up like a kangaroo? Can you do a little jump like a kangaroo? Let's do 10. If you can do a jump, then do a jump. And if you just want to touch the floor and reach up, then you do that. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, kangaroos. Goodbye. Elephant, elephant, how do you dance? I reach my trunk from side to side whenever I have the chance. Can you make a big elephant trunk, put those hands together, and wave them side to side 10 times? Wave them side to side. Show me how you dance like an elephant. Wave them side to side, nice and big. A nice big elephant trunk. Okay, goodbye, Mr. Elephant. Gorilla, gorilla, what do you do for fun? I pound my chest and I bend my knees and then I stretch up to the sun. Let's open our feet and bend our knees like a gorilla. What noise does a gorilla make? Can you bend your knees and beat your chest and look up to the sun? Look up to the ceiling if you're inside. Goodbye, gorilla. It's the last animal. Spotted cow, what do you say? 10 long moves, they mean see you again another day. Let's get on our hands and our knees, just like a cow. And we're gonna tuck our head in. And then we're gonna stretch our head up to the ceiling. Tuck it in, stretch it up. And can you make a moo sound? A long moo sound just like a cow. Let's do 10 long moos. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, moo. 5, 6, moo. 8, 9, moo. Goodbye, cow. See you again another day, animals.